Keb G, weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Well, we have a light snowfall that is going to move through the Mid-Hudson Valley, mainly the Mid-Hudson Valley and parts of interior Connecticut tonight. This is courtesy of NOAA. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. Now, the further south you go, it looks like the snowfall just gets lighter and lighter, and the coastal sections, including the city, just get brushed by this. In fact, it may not snow, it may snow so light that the precipitation actually melts as it reaches the ground to a certain extent, but refreezes on contact. So there could be some slick spots very early in the morning as this very weak innocuous system moves through. So the bigger action for snowfall is definitely north and west. And if we take a look at it as it's happening on the old radar, courtesy of the Penn State EWAL site, you notice that a lot of the precipitation right now is confined to areas north of the tri-state area. So the Mid-Hudson Valley looks to be the area where the slick spots are going to develop for the most part. There is some precipitation developing in northwest PA, and that may scoot through and scrape the rest of the tri-state area as we go into the evening and the overnight hours. But this is a quick moving storm. It's not really going to pack too much of a punch. So if you're waking up tomorrow morning and you're concerned about it, I would be concerned if you're north of the city. So that's the overall theme. Now, the overall flavor of the forecast going forward over the next 5 to 7 days is that winter is going to reluctantly give up its grip. We're going to be looking at, for the most part, at or below normal temperatures, I think, over the next 5 to 7 days. And we do have a chance at a significant winter storm for Sunday into Monday, although I do have my doubts. So let's go through it, and we'll see why I'm not really in the mood to celebrate, as it were, if as far as being a snow lover, as you well know, I am. Now, if we look at the overall weather map, courtesy of the GFS and Tropical Tidbits, we see that our weak storm system moves off the coast by Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. I think actually, the precipitation is mainly gone before 10 a.m. tomorrow. And then a couple of little storm systems move through the pipeline for the next couple of days. One misses to the south on Friday, and then as we get into Saturday, light rain or a rain-snow mix develops for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. So this one has to be watched. But again, to me, it looks like it's very much in the same vein as the system that we're going to deal with for tonight, with respect to the fact that both of them are weak, and it looks like the main action is to our north or north of the immediate tri-state area. However, a more important storm then develops over the Mid-South and Mid-Mississippi Valley. And this storm is going to have the potential to create some havoc around here. Now, I have my skepticism antennas raised for the fact that a lot of our storms this year, in fact, the vast majority of them, have tracked too far west of our area. And that means that on the coast you get rain or a snow-to-rain mix that happens very quickly, and you get more snow inland. So if the seasonal trend holds, that's exactly what we're going to see for Sunday night into Monday. Now, this particular model run has a healthy snowstorm across much of the tri-state area for Sunday night into Monday. But this is one run of the model. Things could change. And in fact, what I did say about the seasonal trend has to be considered when you're thinking about this particular threat for Sunday night into Monday. The worst case scenario, in my estimation, would be that the storm stays to the south. We get significant snow for Sunday night into Monday on the order of 4 to 8 inches. But again, that remains to be seen. That's a big wild card. So we really have to update this over the weekend, and we'll have to just pay attention. It is a threat. I think it's going to be a healthy storm. But look at the temperatures. There's no getting around the fact that after that, whatever happens Sunday night into Monday moves through, we go back below normal. I mean, we're all the way out to the 5th of March, and we're really going to do no better than upper 20s and low 30s for the better part of next week. So winter is not going quietly into the good night across the tri-state area. So we'll watch that storm, I guess. You and I will watch that storm for Sunday night and Monday. That's the most important storm out of the next couple that we're going to have to deal with over the next 5 to 7 days.